Imagine heading to the playground for a day of fun, only to find that your favorite bridge is wobbling back and forth. Even worse, there is a giant crack right down the middle of the slide. Looking at a mess like this, you might wonder who is supposed to fix all of this. How do they even know where to start? We need an engineer. An engineer is a person who looks at a problem, thinks of a clever way to fix it, and then builds that solution. Today, you are going to see exactly how engineers think. You'll learn about the different ways they work together to fix the things around us, starting with this broken playground. To solve problems, engineers use 4 main ideas we call STEM. The S is science, asking how things work. The T is technology, using computers to design. The E is engineering, where we actually build. The M is math, measuring pieces perfectly. An engineer brings science, technology, engineering, and math together. Using all 4 lets them take an idea from their head and turn it into a real, safe bridge for our playground. Since there are so many different problems in the world, one person can't fix everything. That is why engineers pick a specific job to focus on. A civil engineer works on big structures. They are the ones who design things like roads, buildings, and our heavy playground bridge. A mechanical engineer loves machines and things that move. If the gears on a playground swing get stuck, this engineer gets them swinging again. Then there are software engineers. They don't work with metal or wood, they work with code. They build the computer games you play when you are finished at the park. No matter what you are interested in, whether it's giant buildings, fast robots, or video games, there is an engineering job for you. Before building, engineers follow a 6-step loop called the engineering design process. They ask about the problem, imagine creative fixes, and plan by drawing ideas. Then they create the equipment, test to make sure it is safe, and improve the design to make it better. If you want to keep exploring how things are made, click that subscribe button so you never miss a video. Now, it might seem like professional engineers get everything right on the very first try. Actually, engineers expect their first designs to break. Making a mistake is just another way to learn how to make the next version even stronger. Let's play Engineer or Not. I'll tell you a short story and you guess. Here is the first one. Someone designs a sturdy new bridge so cars can cross a river safely. Engineer or not? That's an engineer, a civil engineer specifically. Okay, next story. Someone bakes a giant chocolate birthday cake. Not an engineer, that is a baker. Let's try one more. Someone writes code to build an app that helps you learn math. Yes, exactly. That is a software engineer. You are really starting to see how they help us every day. Remember, engineers are problem solvers. They use science, technology, engineering, and math to turn ideas into things we can actually use. They also follow a 6-step process to learn from their mistakes. Because they never give up on an idea, they can fix almost anything, even our broken playground. Since you've started learning the steps today, you have definitely earned this. Congratulations! You are now officially a junior engineer. Your next job is to look around your house or your school. Can you find a small problem that you could solve using your new engineering mindset? Learning is an adventure that never ends. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.